Hello, children. How are you today? This is Teacher Mar. Today, we will learn another lesson. We will learn about the animals on the farm. But before we start, are you ready to have some energizer? In 4, 3, 2, 1.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. Clap! There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. Pat your legs. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. Pat your tummy. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. Pat your head. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. Jump! There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. And Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
Excellent! Look what I have here. It is a barn. This is where farm animals live. Farm animals like cow, sheep, pig, horse, and more. These animals helps us every day. They give us food to eat. Do you want to know more about the animals in the farm? Let's start getting to know them and the sounds they make. Let's start with pig. Pig says goat. Goat says horse. Horse says chicken. Chicken says duck. Duck says cow. Cow says read one more time. Pig, pig, says, oink, oink. Horse, horse, says, neigh, neigh. Sheep, sheep, says, ba, ba. Duck, duck, says, quack, quack. Goat, goat, says, mee, mee. Chicken, chicken, says, clop, 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 clop. Cow, cow, says, moo, moo. Very good. Have you heard these animals before? Don't you know that these animals gives us food? Do you want to know what food these animals gives us? Check this out.
Students, let us learn some more things about animals. This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. Why do you think people keep cows? A cow gives us milk. And we use milk to make cheese, curd, ice cream, and ghee. A cow is a useful animal. Now look at this buffalo. A buffalo is also a farm animal. A buffalo gives us milk. We use milk to make cheese, curd, ice cream, and ghee. A buffalo is a useful animal. Now take a look at this animal. Do you remember its name? Yes, it is a goat. A goat gives us meat. So, a goat is a useful animal. A pig also gives us meat. So, a pig is also a useful animal. Now look at this hen. Is it useful to us? Yes, a hen gives us egg. A duck also gives us egg. A hen and a duck give us eggs. A hen and a duck give us meat as well. A hen and a duck are useful animals. You must have eaten honey. Do you know where honey comes from? Honeybees give us honey. So, honeybees are also useful animals. Do you have a dog at your home? What do you keep a dog for? Yes, we keep dog to guard our house. We also keep dog to play with and to have fun. A dog is a useful animal. Similarly, we keep cat to chase away rats. We also keep cat to play with and have fun. So, a cat is a useful animal. Have you ridden a horse? We use horse to travel from one place to another. A horse is a useful animal. So many animals are useful to us. We should love and care them.
Now you know what food these farm animals give us. Like chicken gives egg and chicken meat. Duck gives eggs and duck meat. Cow gives milk and cow meat. Goat gives milk and goat meat. Sheep gives wool. Pig gives meat. Now let me check if you learned something today. I'm gonna show you a picture of a farm animals. And you tell me what is it and what food they give us. Okay? Let's start with very good. Now you know how useful farm animals to us. That's why we should love them and take care of them. Okay? Let's all stand up for our bye-bye song.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Did you enjoy listening to the sounds of the farm animals? I hope so. That would be all for today. This is Teacher Mark. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.